Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage and access your extension on the Google Chrome. So, if you want to see all of the list, for example, of your extension, or maybe you want to delete certain extension, you can just go to here, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, and you'll find extension. Now click on this manage extension. So by clicking on that in here, you'll be on this page and you'll see all of the extension on your Google Chrome. Okay, if you want to manage it, for example, you want to delete some of the extension. Here, for example, I'm going to delete this custom cursor for Chrome. You can just tap on remove, click on remove again, and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.